evening, everyone. Right now on Gardenia, it's 7 o'clock p.m. on Sunday, June 25th, 2023. KK is putting on a very special concert in the Plaza today. Usually he only comes out here on Saturdays, so you definitely won't want to miss it. And with that, I'll get back to work supporting you and your enjoyment of our island. Well, y'all had the bug off yesterday, so that's why he's not there. Anyway. But we did the book off yesterday, so it was fun. I enjoyed it. There's KK Slider. We're gonna do another Reese and Cyrus. Hey, Adi. Adi out here exercising. Where you been? He says, GameGoddessFee? It's been a while. What I tell you? Where have you been? Huh? You weren't gone for long? Oh my gosh. Was I the only one who didn't see much of you, GameGoddessFee? I guess we both got caught up in chasing dreams, huh? We should slow down and chat. I told you I always have time to chat whenever you want, and I always have a lot to say. No, seriously, some days I have so much to say. I see. Yes, you do. Hi, Fana. So, GameGoddessFee, I'm just gonna come out and ask, have you been avoiding me? Nah, I haven't, Fana. We haven't talked in 2 months. Just in case I did something to bug you, I'm really, really sorry. I guess you're here talking to me now, so maybe I should cut this out before I really do annoy you. Ah, that's all right, Fana. We's here. We are here. And yeah, it's good to talk to you. Let's go see what Reese and Cyrus wants today. Hey, welcome to your one and only gateway to the skies. I want to fly. Visit Horse Island. We all packed and stuff. All right, let's go. Touchdown like window shopping in a water wing. We are parked and proud. Give a crack to wing back. Hey, it's GameGoddessFee. Good to see you. So, gonna do more anniversaries photos with Reese and Cyrus, or do you got a question about the studio? We're doing the anniversary. Right on. Give me half a sec to get my my wedding set ready. Hold tight. Howdy, Spurt. Not now. Not now. We'll do it at the end of wedding. Well, not at the end. What's today's date? We got one more week in this month. So I better do it fast. Thanks so much for coming back to work with us on another set of photos, GameGoddessFee. I can't wait to see how these ones turn out. So today I'm thinking we should take a ceremony photo in a place that looks like a wedding chapel. It'll be just like our real ceremony, professing our love for each other in front of everyone. So romantic. Oh, and by the way, my handy dandy sidekick made some new furniture. Isn't he the best? Anyway, now you can have even more to work with. Just take a look at the event tab. I can't wait to see what you come up with. What we're looking for is a cute set with plenty of pink and white. Preferably using lots of the furniture my sidekick made. When you're all done with the set, and we've got a few photos in the can, come talk to me, okay? Thanks. Alright, so what we got today? We have to hurry up cause you can't be missing days or skipping days cause yeah, this month is wrapping up. I don't remember this wall. This must be a new wall from when I was playing at the when it first came out. It's a little crooked. Hold on. Let's see. Do we have a table? What else? Hold on. Try to dress for the occasion. I need to improve my wardrobe. All right, so are we able to invite villagers now? Nope. Okay, I guess that's it. It's not perfect because this. Anyway. Oh, that last one seemed nice, man. If I take a quick peek. Sure, you can take a look at the last one. Oh my goodness. All right. I got to see what all I have in my other collection from last year. All right, thank y'all. See ya, Harvey. We'll see you later. Ready to go. Come on, Wilbur. Let's go back to Cherry Town. Okay, I guess we can jam out to KK Slider. The scene's not the scene until you make the scene, GaddessFee. You want me to slap the strings for you? I'd love that. Cool, cool. Any requests? I could dial up an old favorite, or you could just tell me how you're feeling, and I'll groove on it. I'll leave it up to you. Dealer's choice, huh? Cool. I've got a slick one for you. Take a seat and we'll jam. Anybody else coming? Come on, Raymond Cat. You coming over? All right. What's up, Raymond? Anybody else coming? What's the hold up, pup? You take a seat. Oh, I forget. We can do this. Right on. I'm tuned up and ready to roll. Who's in the mood for a little KK rally?
Oh me me oh me oh now me na me me na me na me na me me oh na oh now me na me que na me na me na 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 me na me na me now que me oh na me na me na 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 oh na me oh now oh me oh now me na me na me na me oh oh now me na me que na me na 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 me me now que me oh na me na na oh na me oh now me me oh me oh now me na me na me na me oh na oh now me que na me na me now que me oh na me na.
All right, so make sure you all like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. You all take care.